This is a two-part video. The first part is an energetic transmission from the Pleiadian star mothers. And the second part is Oribel's comments on communicating with different star beings in the cosmos. As always, take only that which resonates with you and leave the rest behind. Enjoy.
Greetings, my children. We are excited with the new progress you are making. These are powerful times indeed. We wish you to take stock of your life. See what areas in your life that need tending to and what's needed to be released in order to welcome new energies into those areas in your life. By new energies, we mean new thoughts, creative ideas, healthy behaviors and lifestyle, and new beginnings. The energies that are now available are very powerful. They are here for the creators. It is time to begin creating. Create the new that meets the criteria of the new fourth density earth of unity, of oneness. There is so much positive, high-frequency energies available to you. We ask you to shift any attention you are giving to the negatives around you and around the planet. Shift your attention to the new and more exciting vision of the new and exciting earth. You, the awakened collective, are co-creating together in alignment with your higher self and the higher self collective. We, the beings from other star systems, are rejoicing with the new vision you are each and collectively creating. We, especially our race, the Pleiadians, who helped seeded divinity into your DNA, are so very, very proud of the great progress you are all making and continue to make. There is no limit to the amount of love, light, and power that's available to you now for your creations. Call upon your higher self, the higher self collective, and any of the star beings that you are drawn to for any assistance in your creations. Continue perceiving everything as energy, and you will make the right and higher choices. Continue on your path of high ascension. Each day take action, no matter how small the step may be. Take that step in the direction of the shared vision of your new earth. Make adjustments as you are further guided. Know that there is no wrong move, so do not fear of making errors, as there are no errors. Instead, see them as lower vibrational choices. You are training your senses to pick up on higher frequency choices and move in that direction. Your awareness is growing stronger by the day, so your course correction is taking place faster, and your intuition is getting stronger, so you make more accurate decisions. Use the new tools as they are more powerful during these new energies. They are called the new energy tools for a good reason. We leave you now with this special reminder. You're not alone in your creations. You're not alone in your ascension. We are all surrounding you, sending you more high-frequency energies for your creations and ascension every day. We are your Pleiadian star mothers. We love you, and we bid you farewell for now. I hope you enjoyed that message from the Pleiadian star mothers. That was one of the most uplifting and encouraging messages I've received from the star mothers. I don't feel alone. In fact, I feel so much love from our star mothers whenever I converse with them. As they are my guides, we talked about my progress and different aspects of my life. Just so you know, apart from my own higher self who guides me, I'm encouraged to communicate with other star beings in order for me to experience communicating with other consciousnesses from higher realms and to experience their frequencies. Our soul's natural state is to explore, and the more we explore, the more experiences we gather, and more limitlessness we feel. And the more we become aware what stands in the way so that we can let them go. This to me is the beauty of communicating with off-planet ascended beings. I hope you too will come to appreciate this one day and experience it for yourself. And I also want to talk to the ones who have been guided to connect with the Pleiadian star mothers or any other ET race as the next step for them to take on their life path. I would like to work with you one-to-one to assist you in establishing a strong and powerful connection with the ET race. What I've noticed is many of us are ready for our fourth density role and are looking for opportunities to step into our global roles. If this resonates with you, then I invite you to consider signing up for my Alien Contact private tutorial. I will leave a link to that tutorial in the info box below, and I look forward to our connection. And here's my wish for you. May your ascension be one of ease, joy, and grace. Love and blessings to you. I'm Oribel Joy Divine, an Akasha expert and channeler.